Fog lights are often treated as a small detail, but their design serves a specific purpose. Ordinary headlights throw light forward in a broad beam, and in fog that beam can bounce off tiny water droplets, turning the road ahead into a glowing wall. Fog lights are positioned low on the vehicle and aimed in a wider, flatter pattern. The idea is to light the ground directly in front of the car while reducing glare reflected back into the driver's eyes. Their usefulness depends on conditions. In dense fog, heavy mist, falling snow, or dust, fog lights can improve visibility by making lane markings, road edges, and nearby obstacles easier to see. In light fog, the difference may be modest because all three headlight technologies generally perform reasonably well, making the variations in visibility less noticeable than in heavier fog conditions. In clear weather, they usually offer little benefit and can even be distracting to other drivers if used unnecessarily. Front fog lights are not a replacement for safe driving habits. They work best with slower speeds, longer following distances, and careful attention to lane position. Rear fog lights, where fitted, are even more specific. They emit a bright red light meant to help vehicles behind you see your car in very low visibility, but they should be switched off as soon as conditions improve because they can be harsh to trailing drivers. Many drivers assume brighter always means better, but fog lighting is about shaping the beam, not increasing overall power. The low mounting position and wide spread are what make it effective. That is also why high beams are usually a poor choice in fog. The light reflects upward and back, creating more glare instead of better vision. So, do fog lights really help? Yes, but only when the weather creates the kind of visibility problem they were designed to solve. Used correctly, they are a practical tool. Used at the wrong time, they are just extra lights.